Hello everyone, this is Yasser Shiri. Today I will present about safety issues and facility management. An institution and organization need to have an effective facility management process that can cover most all the aspects of businesses in order to ensure that the set objectives are achieved. Generally, facilities management has gained significant popularity over the past few years because organizations have realized that well-managed buildings and utilities facilitate effective and efficient functions of operation and process. It's important to realize that the facilities management team comprises of professionals who are actively involved in the maintenance, the analysis, and repair of organizational utilities. The primary objective of facility management is significantly cut costs, increase employee productivity, and improve user safety. There are several important safety issues in building that should be considered by individual and organization owning buildings. The issues including working at height and moving, objective, false, noise, material building, electricity, poor housekeeping, on maintenance issues and fire. Facility management should take these issues more seriously and develop effective policies and procedure for promoting safety first. During both construction and demolitions of buildings, workers are normally required to work at height. It's important to realize that risk associated with working at height can be increased by access and mobility restriction. In order to limit accident resulting from working at height, such as activity should be assessed properly. All risk should be identified and the necessary measure should be put in place. Ladders should be installed to facilitate mobility of workers who may be at risk. Hazard in construction and demolition sites increase as work progresses, particularly constantly moving physical vehicle, trade people, overhead lifting equipment, and dumper trucks pose serious threat to lives. Therefore, workers should be instructed to wear protective gear and wearing signs should be placed at all the point where risk is at inherent. Machine operators should be instructed to warn all the trade people of impending danger. Faults happen in construction and demolition sites most often. It's important to realize that construction sites are almost interior mishmash of holes and the ground. Therefore, facility manager should be ensure that the construction manager sets safety nets at appropriate point the site to avoid injury from falls. Additionally, the tradesman should be instructed to wear safety gear minimizes the effect of falls. Generally, noise is major hazard in building. It's important to realize that repetitive and excessive noise causes long-term hearing problem among victims. Additionally, noise can be dangerous distraction which can lead to countless accidents. Worker should be instructed to wear ear plugs to offer some protection against hearing damage. The facility manager should carry out and document a noise risk assessment to ensure that appropriate measures are taken to mitigate the effects of noise. Materials and equipment being constantly lifted and moved around construction site pose serious risk to lives of the workers. Facility managers should focus on maintaining safe construction activities within facilities. Educated training must be carried out where employees' duty involve manual handling of material. All materials should be labeled, probably to avoid confusion. Additionally, the competency of each employee must be tested before being allowed to use the equipment. Asbestos and harmful material human health, such as workers need to be adequately trained when on where asbestos is and what to do if they come across materials that are suspicious. Additionally, some employees should wear protective gear, limited effect of asbestos. Uh, construction industry worker or other facility employees at risk of being electrocuted. Therefore, all electricity cables should be effective and salted. Additionally, qualified electricians should be contracted to reduce the risk of of electrocution and fire. Dust, refuse, and combustible materials should be disposed properly to avoid injuries, such as material may even result to fire. Therefore, all dust, refuse, and combustible materials should be disposed properly. Facility manager should focus on minimizing the business impact on the environment. They should ensure that such items as a paper, scrap metal, aluminum cans, styrofoam, cardboard, and other recyclable materials. This will establish the facilities as environmentally friendly business. Maintenance should be carried out regularly to avoid personal accidents resulting from roof leaks and other problems. Broken windows and peeling paint should be addressed immediately to avoid accident in building. Repair and timely maintenance will enhance the experience of members and improve their loyalty to the fitness center. Preventive maintenance is effective approach to maintenance. Preventive maintenance helps in reducing capital repairs, unscheduled shutdown and repairs. It can also help extend equipment life and realizing life cycle and cost saving. Fire poses significant threat to life and probably building. Therefore, buildings should have sprinkler system that can be used to cool fire in the event that it's break out. Additionally, fire alarm should be installed for easy detection of fire. It's important to put fire warning signs to keep user alert. Water point should be well indexed to ensure the efficient response to the case of fire. Fire egress signs and direction should be clear to conspicuous to make evacuation easy in case of fire. Facility manager should be able to identify fire hazards and eliminate them. Additionally, fire safety training should be constituted for employees. And this is my resources, and I hope you guys learn from this PowerPoint. Thank you.